What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're all having a great start of the weekend. And welcome to this video on the Near coin and Near protocol as well. We'll take a look at some statistics regarding Near, which I felt was necessary because Near has been very strong. All right, over the last day, we've gone up by almost 20%. And apart from that, there has been a lot of bullish news surrounding Near protocol as well. So I just wanted to talk about it a little bit. We'll do a technical analysis. I'll tell you what I expect will happen from here. We just had a major bullish breakout above $2.4. Right now we're struggling with 2.45, but I think we can get even higher than that. So we'll talk about that. But I also feel like we need to talk about some fundamentals surrounding Near protocol, because if we take a look at the statistics, just the just statistics of Near, what you can see is that over the last 6 months, daily active addresses have seen some spikes. You could consider they're in an uptrend, but yesterday they were very low again, but still some sort of an uptrend. Daily transactions also in some sort of an uptrend, but it's weird behavior. I mean, you have these spikes, which Near has always had these spikes. I mean, in the daily active addresses, somewhere in September, we just had this huge spike where basically it went times 1,000%, which raises some questions with me and some red flags. Same with the total value locked. Here you can see end of October, it just dropped down by 100 million. And right now it's in an uptrend, but it's in less of an uptrend than other cryptos. If you take a look at the total value locked, if you compare it, for example, with Aptos, if you compare it, for example, with Solana or with Optimism, total value locked is in an uptrend, but not that strong. So somewhere, I don't know, I just have the feeling that maybe Near protocol is maybe paying some people to say positive things about it. It's been so much in the news and on Twitter and advertised and marketed by people lately that it's either a trend and they're doing great marketing, or people are being paid by it. Because I know that Near protocol is a great ecosystem, it's growing and it has great decentralized applications, but I don't think it's stronger than some other great blockchains right now, like Optimism, or Polygon, or Solana, or even Aptos maybe, which in transaction speed is also great. So yeah, that's just something, and there are some red flags with the daily active addresses and the daily transactions and Twitter followers as well. So yeah, I don't know. It's just wanted to talk about that. But technically, I still believe that with the bullish momentum we have in the market, and also the uptrends that Near protocol fundamentally has, I still think that we will be able to get to our next price target. Right now, as I said, you can see that historically, or in the last week, we have been struggling with 2.35 and 2.3 as a resistance level right here. And today we have broken above that. We broke above 2.3 first of all, and right now we've broken above 2.4. So what I expect is that, all right, sure, we will be able to, maybe we will drop down to 2.35, but at some point we will be able to get to our next price target, which is this level right here between 2.55 and 2.65. We'll get there, and then from there, frankly, I'll have to update it again, because if from there we'll drop down and we can hold 2.5 as a support, for example, do something like this, then we could also still get to 2.75 and to 2.9. But if from there we will drop down below 2.5, then it's maybe more likely that we'll drop down, consolidate, and continue our uptrend a little bit later. So it just depends a lot on what we do after touching that. But I do think we'll get there. I mean, the big thing is that we need to stay on top of 2.35. Just knowing the momentum around Near and knowing the momentum in the market right now, that seems like the most likely scenario. If for some reason 2.35 breaks, we're in a little bit more of trouble. But as I said, if that happens, we'll drop down to 2.15, but then consider me wrong, because I don't believe that will happen in the short term. So yeah, that's my take on Near this beginning of the weekend. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.